I just need to design a perfect brand. I just need to design a perfect phone to beat iPhone. That's not gonna happen. That's the truth. You can't really beat iPhone, Apple on the first day that you design your own product. It is a iteration of many kinds, I mean many years. That is how you can beat it. But people wants to do it perfect from the start. Right from the start they want to do it perfect. There is nothing called as perfect. You know Leonardo da Vinci took somewhere around 4 to 5 years to complete Mona Lisa. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contro Podcast. You are listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Hey there, Sanjay here. There is nothing in this entire world called as perfect. To be true, I have said this before, but I'm telling you this, people need to understand this exactly in their entire life. Everybody wants the perfect girlfriend, everybody wants the perfect boyfriend, everybody wants the perfect time to start their startup, everybody wants the perfect day to swim, everybody wants the perfect time to do something that they really wanted to do throughout their entire life. But there is no perfect thing in this entire world. When you just start your own business, you just tend to look at the bigger picture and feel like I just need to design a perfect brand. I just need to design a perfect phone to beat iPhone. That's not gonna happen. That's the truth. You can't really beat iPhone, Apple on the first day that you design your own product. It is a iteration of many kinds, I mean many years. That is how you can beat it. But people wants to do it perfect from the start. Right from the start they want to do it perfect. There is nothing called as perfect. Leonardo da Vinci took somewhere around 4 to 5 years to complete Mona Lisa, and Mona Lisa wasn't his first painting. You should remember it. So that is not the first painting of it, even though that's the greatest art of this entire century or this entire era. That wasn't done in one single day. Rome wasn't built in a day, right? So you need to work every single day. You just be so worried about someone else's opinion that you look at that product that you have designed and say, my uncle Mark won't approve this because this is so horrible. My aunt will scold me just because this product looks ugly. I look ugly in front of camera. That is the reason I don't want to post this video. You are just caring about them, those people. In fact, your uncle Mark doesn't love to sing your own song that you have composed and released on your YouTube channel. Think about this. Do you think your uncle Mark will sing your song when he's sitting in bathroom? No, he won't do that. There are people for you, there are audience for you. If you just don't post that one thing that you always wanted, there is no person, you don't even create a customer. If you just don't sell a product, the customer base that you have for your product will be zero. And how do you build that? It is by giving more product to your customer. Take some opinion, take some feedback from the customer. Let the market decide what is right, what is wrong, rather than you judging. There are people who just judge themselves. You need to stop judging yourself. There are people who judge themselves so bad that I have did this 1,000 times, but it's not right enough. You are not doing a painting. You are not a Picasso to do it so perfect. In fact, there is no painter out there or there is no model out there who have clicked the perfect picture or who have painted the perfect painting in the first time. So you need to do it 10,000 times to get it right. If you have done it 10,000 times and if you are not getting it right, that is the moment that you need to think about this, about is it really good, I mean is it right for me. That is the motive that you need to have. If you just ask me after 10 years the video that I am recording, if you just ask me is this the perfect video, I'll tell you that no, I have to improve a lot, I have improved a lot. And the topic that I am talking, it's completely something like it's not the one that I wanted to convey. So every day if you just produce more and more things, if you just produce 100 products, out of that one product will be right, and you need to benchmark that one product, and you need to sell that one product, you need to present that as the best. So without producing that 100 product, you cannot produce that one product. So do it, iterate it, and that is how you figure out the perfect thing. There is no such thing called as perfect in this entire world when you just start. So stop worrying about perfectness and start becoming more consistent in your life, and I'll meet you guys at the top. Thank you.